Yeah, all right. So this, I don't know how do I do this. Uh okay. So this is this is episode two to uh, going from zero. Is it zero or going from minus to um being a millionaire? This is episode two of Rags to Riches, really realistic rags to riches video. Yeah, so I said earlier that I know how to make money, right? And it's just for me to just keep on reaching out to people and offering my skills and services. So this is just one of them. I just secured a client now, and the client, I told you I was going to do this all with content, right? All with creating content. And basically, this client wants um a catalog of content readily made just for his rollout of his new project, and I'll be working on that um, um, for a while now. I apologize for not being consistent on this space. I have so many channels that I'm working on, and I have other things that I'm doing as well concerning building up this business behind the scenes as well. So it's just simple and it's just crazy that people are not even looking into the possibilities of earning. I think the only way now people are just so focused on earning money is the conventional ways of earning, going out to look for a job, and stuff like that. They overlook the fact that they have skills sets that people actually do need, to like maybe promote their business and stuff like that. People are not even like waking up to see these things. In this on this make money online space, there's always, oh, see this new app, do this set of steps, and you start making 5,000, 6,000. To start giving you all sort of promises if you follow this step-by-step process. Follow this step-by-step process, or follow this guideline, or follow this proven framework, or buy my course. Like everybody is just trying to, I don't know, trying to sound smarter than they should be. Is that realistic way to earn money? I don't know. So that's why this channel was created, to show my realistic ways, my tactical patterns to navigate my way to financial freedom. And so in the future, when I start talking that this is what I did to get where whatever position that I am in the future, right? And and I tell people that this is what you should also do as well. It will not be like it will not be like I'm just telling. It will be like, yo, I have an evidence, right? Go back and watch my videos and watch my come up. Like, this is what I did. I actually documented my come up. You understand? So this way you will be trusted and reliable. You understand? You People will trust you more. People will want to um listen to what you have to say because you are a proven, is it proven success, like that have just been documented on this space. So it's not going to be easy. It's going to be a long journey. Like, I see this thing as a fucking marathon. I don't want this to be a sprint. Like, once it becomes a sprint, I'll just lose sight of what I planned out my life to be, and how, when everything just becomes, when everything just comes so fast, you just be like, ah, so what do I do now? You won't have a plan. Even if you had a plan, the plan just falls by the wayside because you had planned for a long term run, and everything just happening so fast. Be like, yo, what do I need to do? You start panicking and all those kind of shit. So that's why I really want this to be like a slow grind. so that people really understand. Because most of the time, those fast growths, those fast it's don't happen to everybody. Realistically, they don't even happen to 90% of people. You understand? But what I'm doing actually do happen to 99% of people. You understand? Everybody is trying to figure this out. So this is why I'm documenting myself, trying to figure this out as well. You understand? But this one would remain on the internet for people to actually use some of the things or some of the tips that I share in videos like this. I'm like, oh, okay, so I thought walking 5 steps would actually make me to reach my goal. So instead of walking 5 steps, I could actually walk three and a half. Just take a shorter, a shortcut, or instead of taking a shortcut, just take this route. Or I did not say things like this. You understand? So that's why these videos are being made. They basically do not teach, or they rather they do teach, but it's not like you've not heard this information before. You understand? It's not like you don't know how to make money. It's not like you've not watched all the make money online videos. It's not like you've not watched all the Imangazi videos. It's not like you've not watched all the Alex Omozi videos. Understand? So it's not like you don't know this information. It's just how it does. I think like videos like this are just supposed to just give you different perspectives to the information that you've gotten, and just see how people are just navigating their lives through different scenarios. Because when you have different perspectives to how you see life, it just becomes easy, and you just navigate your journey better that way. It's just like saying you're walking through a road, right? Or you just want to go walk through a road that you don't know, right? That you're not familiar with. And somebody who has gone through that route tells you that, yo, you need to go easy when you're going through that route because there are a lot of potholes there. Now that you have access to that information that, oh, there are potholes there, you have that in mind. So when you're going to go through that route, you are going to be looking for what? Potholes, not to, you understand how to navigate your way out of the potholes. It's just basically what videos are like this are made for. So this is episode 2. So rags to riches. I want to make this video as real as possible. As real as possible. I said I was going to navigate my way out of this mess, out of my depth with content uh creation, and it's actually working. It's not enough to just wish for things to happen. You need to start putting in work to actually achieve and actualize those dreams. Yeah, I'll update you guys on the next. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just update you guys on the next things that just happen in my financial life. Yeah, uh, it's not easy, but you just keep going. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Just stay jiggy and stay safe. Peace, y'all.